welcome back to Oni's Food Hill. Today I'm showing you how to make Hunan chicken. I have 500 grams of boneless chicken breast here. I'll go ahead and season this with pepper and salt. Mix this up and let the seasoning coat the chicken pieces. Bring a quarter cup of cornstarch into another bowl. Transfer the chicken pieces into the flour and coat nicely. Shake off excess flour from the chicken and transfer to a flat dish. Once you're done coating all your chicken pieces in the flour, place the pan on the stove top, add half cup of vegetable oil to the pan, transfer the chicken pieces into the oil and fry. You don't have to overcrowd the pan. Once you're done with one portion, you can do the rest. Fry each pieces of the chicken on one side for 5 minutes. Once it's golden brown, flip over to the other side and fry for another 5 minutes. Once the chicken is nice and golden, transfer from the oil onto a paper towel to drain. Repeat this with the next batch of chicken pieces. Once you're done frying all the chicken pieces, set this aside for later use. In another bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of hot chili sauce, a tablespoon of honey, and lastly bring in half cup of chicken broth. Mix everything to combine nicely. You now have your sauce for Hunan chicken. Using the same pan, reduce the oil to about 2 tablespoons. Add 3 minced garlic cloves to the oil and half teaspoon of grated ginger. Saute this for 30 seconds or until fragrant. Go in with 2 tablespoons of chopped celery, 1 chopped red bell pepper. Add your broccoli florets, about 2 cups, and half cup of baby corn. Cook this while stirring for 5 minutes or until all the veggies are slightly wilted. After cooking the veggies for 5 minutes, they are slightly wilted. Season with a little bit of salt and a quarter teaspoon of chili flakes. Stir to combine. Now return the cooked chicken back into the pan. Mix everything to incorporate nicely. Gently add the prepared sauce back into the chicken. Now stir this to mix together. Place the lid over and cook on low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes until the sauce thickens up and the chicken has heated up again. After cooking your Hunan chicken for 5 minutes on low heat, it should be ready. You can see we have a very glassy sauce here. It tastes really fantastic. So once you're satisfied with the taste and the spiciness, you can turn up your heat and it's ready. You now have your yummy and colorful Hunan chicken ready to be served with some white rice. Just before then, you can garnish this with some sesame seeds before you go ahead and enjoy it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you have any other video you have in mind and you want me to make for you, please let me know in the comment section below. You can share the video and also subscribe to the channel if you have not done that already. Thank you guys. Until next time, bye for now.